In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Microsoft Excel AutoCorrect feature. If you've ever typed something in Excel and watched it instantly change to something you didn't intend, AutoCorrect is usually the reason. It can fix typos, but it can also interfere with product codes, abbreviations, or data that needs to stay exactly as entered. Let's walk through how to turn off the parts you don't want and remove specific replacements that keep getting in your way. Start by opening Excel in the workbook you're working on, then make sure you're on the sheet where you've noticed autocorrect kicking in. Having a sample cell ready can help you confirm the changes later. Next, go to the File tab in the top left corner and choose Options. This opens the Excel Options window, which is home base for most of Excel's customizable settings. In the Excel Options window, look to the left-hand panel and select Proofing. The Proofing section controls spelling, grammar, and autocorrect behavior in Excel. Now click the Autocorrect Options button. This opens the Autocorrect dialog box where you can tune exactly what Excel tries to fix for you. Under the Autocorrect tab, you'll see several checkboxes. To stop Excel from making automatic changes you don't want, uncheck the features that are causing trouble. For example, you can turn off capitalize first letter of sentences, correct two initial capitals, capitalize names of days, and replace text as you type. If your data is being altered unexpectedly, replace text as you type is often the main culprit. Unchecking it prevents Excel from swapping your typed text with a preset replacement. Take a moment to read each option and decide what you actually find helpful versus what gets in your way. If there's a specific replacement you want to stop, like a short code being turned into a full word, use the list in the same window. In the Replace and With columns, scroll to find the entry that matches what's being changed. Select that entry and click Delete. This removes only that one rule, so the rest of autocorrect can stay on if you prefer. If the list is long, click inside the Replace field and type a few characters to jump closer to that entry. When you're done, click OK to close the autocorrect dialog and then click OK again to close Excel options. Your changes take effect immediately for Excel. If you want to double check, type the same text again in a cell and confirm it no longer changes. That's it. Your autocorrect settings are now under your control.